Welcome. I'm Marshie Morgan, and I bring you tips, tricks, and hacks in your business and personal life. Now, that's a big encompassing thing. And, I've been rededicated to this channel. I've committed myself to do it for 1 year. So, any love that you show me is really crucial for me to continue to bring you content. Today, as I was having my quiet time, the Lord placed on my heart to kind of to share with you. So that's what I'm doing. I'm being very transparent. To my attention is in Timothy. Timothy 1, 2, 2. And this is a summation, okay? Um it's in the New Testament, and basically what it's saying is we're supposed to be praying and interceding for our kings, right? And all those in authority, that we may live peaceful and quiet lives. Now, what this means to me is it doesn't matter who is in the office, who's in the political house, okay? You may be watching from another country. It might be your prime minister. It may be your dictator. It may be whomever. It may be your parents. We're supposed to pray for them. We're supposed to pray for their leadership. We're supposed to intercede. What does that mean? It means we're supposed to come together collectively and pray for them because they're getting knocked down constantly, right? From all different directions. It doesn't matter your political affiliation. This is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the leaders, the people in authority. This could be your child's school principal and teachers. They're in authority. It could be your local municipality, your mayor, the person at the county clerk's office, the deputy sheriff, those people in leadership. You have to pray for them because they're constantly getting knocked down. What about our marriages, our husbands? We're supposed to lift them up. The only way I know how to do that is by prayer. Now, that might ruffle some feathers. Y'all might be going, what is she talking about today? All I know is that somebody on here is supposed to hear this. Prayer is powerful stuff. So just know, whether you agree with their politics, with their decisions, their paradigm, or whatever they're doing, you need to pray for them. Pray that they have clear thinking. Pray that they can make the right decision. Pray that they have the wisdom. Pray that they get the help that they need. Pray for your community, for those leaders that are volunteering their time. Pray for that PTA. Pray for that organization, that nonprofit that just works tirelessly for your community. Pray for those leaders because I don't know if y'all are aware, but every time you try and do something good, you get knocked down. I need you to pray for me because believe it or not, I'm using my voice, this platform. I need protection. I need your prayer too. So, if you're the leader, the person in authority of work, you're the business owner, right? You need prayer. It's okay to pray. It is okay to ask the Lord to blow favor into your business, into your community, into your organization. Who better would you want there but the Almighty? I hope this makes sense. This is coming from Timothy. If you want peace and a quiet life, then pray for those that are in leadership. Okay? Whether it's a paid position, an unpaid position, an elected position, or a non-elected position. Pray. If you got anything out of that, any encouragement whatsoever, please put it down in the comments below. Be blessed, long life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.